Dangshen ha ka Jingjia Bthei Dynamite ha krem Doyong ha Thangkso East Janta Hills District na ka Jingti Doyong Bean de ki breu bakwa ban kamai spa Khubor unong aiktin jong ka Bharat Janata Party uba MH Kharkrang ha bakren bakila Bthei Khubor ha ka khatlai tarik rampang loong kumbalong minta ka Sorkar ka lale la ka Kamram ha ka ba kala depru ban register case halor ka te ka Jingjia bat kila donru na pedeng ki bla subadon kti ki bla syakem Nalor kataw laong baka Sorkar kala dep bantung ye ke inquiry ban lap ye ke jing shisha barok par ula ongru bakan bahai ngi ban up ban dep ke jing tokit.
You get to know about the facts about it. In fact, before the state government announced any ex gratia payment, it was the Prime Minister who extended the ex gratia payment to these people. And now a case has been registered, arrests have been made. In fact, the government has set up a commission of inquiry also. And let's look at the terms of reference of the commission of inquiry, because ultimately it all depends on the term of reference. And if needed, that, like it's not only about getting to know about the incident, how it happened, but I think so as members of the public, we would like to know what is the people involved behind all this kind of, I should say it's an open illegality which is happening. We have never denied it. Government has ultimately come up and admitted that these things have happened, and I think so it's fair for us to wait for the investigation of the government to complete, the police to complete.
The CM, supported by the BJP, is also holding the portfolio of forest and mining. So do you feel that we should take moral responsibility? Yeah, last. You should take moral responsibility.
You want to stick to budget actually. So
No, you said about the budget, but these are law and order issues.
No, it's okay.
Which is affecting the growth of the state.
Please ask.
Should he take moral responsibility and quit the post?
No, the thing is, you cannot have a chief minister quitting for everything that happens. What is the more important is what action has been taken by the government.
Yeah.
That is more important than quitting. So government has taken action, and let's wait for the outcome of whatever the government is taking now. So let's hear from others also. Give them a chance.
In the